Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to set up Jenkins in VirtualBox VM using Rocky Linux. Jenkins is one of the most popular tools for automating tasks like building, testing, and deploying softwares. Practicing this setup in a virtualized environment like VirtualBox is a great way to build your skill. Let's get started. First, ensure you have a Rocky Linux installed on your VirtualBox. If you are new to this, check out my previous video where I have demonstrated how to install Rocky Linux on VirtualBox, and also make sure your VM has an internet access. I have powered on the virtual machine which has a Rocky Linux 9.5 version installed. I have powered on it. Let's take the access on a terminal. On my Windows machine, I have installed MobiXterm. I have taken the access of that virtual machine on my MobiXterm. So run the following command to update your system. Enter the password. Jenkins requires Java to run. Let's install OpenJDK 11, which is recommended version. Once installation is done, we need to verify and check Java version. OpenJDK version 11 is installed. Next, we will add Jenkins Repository and import the GPG key to ensure secure download. So before that, let's install duplicate command. It is already installed. Let's copy this repo file. Use sudo. Now we are ready to install Jenkins. Error GPG check fail. Let's download 2023. Run install command once again. The previous installation get failed due to GPG check. Okay, now this has been completed. We'll share all the commands in the video description. So once the installation completed, start and enable the Jenkins. So for that, run command systemctl start Jenkins. Check why it is getting failed. Jenkins required 17 or 21 version. We have installed 11. So let's remove Java 11 and install Java 17. Now install Java 17. Java is installed now. Let's try to start Jenkins. System start. Let's check the status. Jenkins is running. Let's enable the service to start on boot. So we have started and also enable Jenkins. So let's configure the firewall. Before that, let's check if firewall is running. Yes, service is running. To add port 8080, run the command sudo firewall cmd permanent and mention the port. So let's open web browser and access Jenkins. Check the IP address of the machine. Command is IP space R. I use the shortcuts. This is the IP address of the machine. Copy. Go to the browser. Paste it. Colon 8080. To unlock Jenkins, copy the initial admin password from the terminal using the command. Copy this sudo cat and paste the URL. You'll get the initial password. Copy this. Go to the browser and paste here. So install the I will go with selected plugins, means you can select a particular plugin whichever it is required. I will go with this to set up the wizard and install the recommended plugins. Click on it. It will start installing all the required plugins. Recommended plugins by the Jenkins will get installed. I will pause the video. Once this is done, I will resume it back. Create username. I will use this admin. Enter the password. Confirm the password and give the full name. Email ID you can skip. You can enter this will be the URL. You can change with a domain name from here. If you don't have domain, you can directly click save and finish. Jenkins is ready. This is your Jenkins homepage. So for this video, that you have successfully set up Jenkins on a Rocky Linux virtual machine box, which is set up on VirtualBox tool. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we will do a pipeline, CI/CD pipeline. See you in the next video.